students, welcome to class 7 maths. Today we are going to start our new lesson 7, congruence of triangles. Now you will see some introduction about this lesson. Congruent objects are exact copy of one another. See here, for example, see biscuit and notepad. These are same. These copies we call congruent object, that means copies of one another. The relation of two objects being congruent is called congruence. For example, shaving blades in the same pack, biscuit in the same pack, sheets of paper of the same letter pad. See here, two blades are of same size and biscuits are of same size and letter pads. Now we will see some important points to remember in this chapter. What are that? Congruence of plane figures, congruence among line segment, congruence of angles, congruence of triangles. Now we will discuss about these points. First we will go through congruence of plane figures. What are the congruence of plane figures? Now present we will discuss the congruence of plane figures only. Okay. If one figure is superposed means, here superpose means to place one figure over another, so that all as superposed. So if one figure is superposed on another and if the figure covered each other completely, then they are congruent. See, this is these two figures and I am superposing this F2 figure on F1. Now what we will look, they are congruent, they are same only, and they are look like at 1. So like that they are congruent. Now congruence among line segment. Now we will see in the line segments. If two line segments have the same length, they are congruent. See, take one like this line segment. If length is same, then they are congruent. Two line segment, take this length 2 meters, this length 2 meters, and these two line segments are congruent. Also, if two line segments are congruent, they have the same length. See here, AB and CD are same, their length is same, so they are congruent. For example, use the trace copy superposition method for the pair of line segment in the given figure. Copy CD and place it on AB. Trace copy. See this, now CD we are keeping on AB. Now what will happen, this CD is touching on AB. It covers AB. See, C on A and D on B. Hence these line segments are congruent. Now what is the next one? Congruence of angles. We will see the congruence in angles. If two angles have the same measure, they are congruent. See, here we are having the same angles and with the measure of 40 degrees. So these are congruent. And also what saying, if two angles are congruent, their measure also same. If two angles have same length, same measure, then the angles are also same. Now what is next one? Congruence of triangles. In triangles we will discuss. Now the line segment we discussed and some plane figures we discussed. Now we will see congruence of triangles. Two triangles are congruent if they are copies of each other and when suppose they cover each other exactly. So these two triangles are copies only one each other. So one is triangle ABC and one is triangle PQR. So these lengths are same only because these two are congruent. They can cover each other exactly. For example, see, triangle ABC and PQR have same size and shape. So they are congruent. So how we could say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR? This is the congruent symbol. Okay. This means when you place triangle PQR, triangle ABC falls on A. See, this triangle PQR now I am placing on triangle ABC. Then what will happen? This P falls on A and Q falls on B and R falls on C. And also along with C, AB falls on PQ and QR falls on BC and PR falls on AC. This shows that while talking about congruence of triangles, not only the measures of angles and the lengths of sides also matching the vertices. So these lengths are also matching these vertices. In the above case, Now from this what we will get, A is correspondence to P, B is correspondence to Q, and C is correspondence to R. So according to these triangles, what we may say, triangle ABC means ABC is correspondent to PQR. Okay. Thank you students.